We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Haidong's Guansan is famous for an incident in 1888, during which Hakka people joined forces with Beipu tribes to kill corrupt government officials. A Hakka settler, Liu Tianwang, married an Aboriginal wife. When other Aborigines were unable to pay taxes, they were told to deliver their young woman to officials. Outraged, Liu and his fellow settlers, together with the tribes, rose up and killed the officials. Hello everyone, it's Joseph Lin with our Hakka lesson of the day. Taiga ho.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Welcome back to this program, and I gotta tell you, okay, I love food. I think these are very basic vocabularies that people should know. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So Alice, we want to know how to say 早餐 breakfast.
吃早就是吃早餐。
哦，真的吗？所以早就是早上的时候。哦，真的吗？哦，那如果要跟人家打招呼说早安，也是早安这样子吗？不对了，阿祖啊，
不是阿祖，是阿祖是爷爷啦，阿祖闽南语都出来了。
早安的话，那就阿祖，两次阿祖。可是完全是不一样的了啊。
应该这样子讲好了。我们今天来讲说，你吃早餐了吗？早上的时候不是会碰到人说，哎，你吃早餐了吗？
对，
你是早吗？
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 就是你吃早餐了没有？Have you had breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. 好 ，Then it's 12 o'clock now. 现在是中午12点。那午餐的话呢？
你是猪吗？
我不是猪啊！你又骂我猪了。
我没有骂你。
你已经是第二次骂我猪了 ，Alice。
我没有骂你猪，
这是太过分了。
黑狗，你是猪吗？
我不是猪。
你吃午餐了吗？
啊，真的假的啊？
你是啦，是就是吃啊。
哦，
猪嘛。
Oh my goodness, you know。下次如果有客家人这样跟我讲的话，我不能一巴掌打回去，不可以。
你要说吃饱了呀，还要这样很忙啊。
哦，你是猪嘛？哦，就是 Have you had lunch yet? OK。
那晚上的时候啊，人家会问你是鸭吗？
已经跟你讲过了，不可以骂我猪的话，也不可以骂我鸭。我不是鸭，你看错人了。
我是说你是鸭吗？哦，吃鸭就是吃晚餐啊。
鸭 sounds like duck to me, OK？ 你是鸭嘛？就是吃晚餐的意思。
你是早嘛
？That's eating breakfast.
你是猪嘛
？Have you had lunch?
你是鸭嘛
？Have you had dinner? That's it for our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph.
是我太嘎张磊了。
俺是张磊了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.